Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing a program and taking immediate, precise actions. Register, verify your identity, and enable two-factor authentication so your account is locked down. Once done, read the program scope and rules. This prevents wasted work and bans. Make sure to configure your tools, a proxy, Burp Suite, or similar, plus an isolated test account. Then run a quick discovery sweep for visible endpoints and known parameters. This gives you a practical map to start targeted tests right away. You move into methodical testing. Enumerate endpoints, parameters, and authentication flows so you can focus where it matters. Use automated scans to find surface issues, then manual checks for logic, auth bypasses, injections, and broken access controls. These yield higher rewards. While testing, capture each request, response, and payload. This creates reproducible evidence. Once a potential bug appears, pivot to exploitation scenarios that prove impact without causing harm. Keep your notes organized so drafting a clear report becomes straightforward. You finalize by preparing a clear, actionable report. Open with a one-line summary, then explain impact, exact reproduction steps, and suggested fixes. Attach POC requests, responses, timestamps, and affected assets so triage is fast. Submit via the platform, label severity realistically, and monitor communications. Respond promptly to questions. If maintainers block or misinterpret your findings, pause testing and provide clarifying information. If your tests trigger rate limits, wait and document throttling. That troubleshooting tip prevents misunderstanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.